In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LG Fridge to app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an LG modern fridge, you will be able to connect it to the LG ThinQ app. This will be done if the fridge offers smart or Wi-Fi capabilities, so it needs to be able to connect to a Wi-Fi network and consequently the application. So to get this done, first download the latest version of the LG ThinQ app. If you don't have it already, you will download it through the Play Store or the App Store, and then you will have to sign up to use the app. This will contain a lot of personal information, so I'm not going to cover the entire process in this video, but it is very intuitive. Once you are done signing up to use the services here, tap on the plus sign from the home screen to add a new device. So tap this plus sign and then choose the option to add a refrigerator. So under the products, select refrigerator. Now, you will be able to determine which model of refrigerator you have. They are going to ask you basic questions like, does your refrigerator have touch screen? So you can select yes or no accordingly, and they will give you the appropriate instructions for your particular model of LG fridge. Now, finally, you will get to this point, ready to connect. For most models, this will be done by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button. So as you can clearly see on these instructions here, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the refrigerator for 3 seconds. So find the Wi-Fi button and press it down for the appropriate amount of time. This will prompt the fridge to look for nearby networks to connect to. And as long as you have your phone in the same network that the fridge connects into, it is going to be automatically set up. If you cannot find the Wi-Fi button or if the instructions are different, then just follow the prompts on screen and you will be able to get additional help for your particular model. But once this is done, you will be able to manage the refrigerator through the app. You will see the temperatures, you can see the air filters, and manage food. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.